Hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Computer Classes at Home. So once again, I'm Harish here for telling you something about the Python. Python, one of the most important programming language we are using in our day-to-day life, and today we are going to talk about the installation process. In this video, in this session, we are going to learn how to install the Python and how to start programming. So as you can see on the screen, the URL www.python.org. This is the location from where we can install the Python. So let's open the site www.python.org. So you can see that the website is there in front of us, and I need to simply go on downloads icon, downloads tab, and here I can find different options: all releases, source code, Windows, Mac operating system and other platforms. But simply we need to choose the category in which we have to work upon. Like I am working on Windows operating system, so I'll click on Windows. After clicking on Windows operating system, there are several options, and I am looking for the installation in 3.7.9 version, and there are different installers available here. Like these are for 64-bit operating system and these are for 32-bit. So I'll choose download Windows x86 64-bit executable installer. If I'll choose this one, what happens? In my downloads folder, I'll find this file, that is Python 3.7.9 64-bit. If I double click, it is asking for installation, so I'll click on install now. There will be certain processing, and as the processing gets over, I'll be able to see all the relevant files of Python 3.7.9 in my start menu, and then I'll be able to start programming with Python. So you can see that the process is going on, and I think it's about to finish in next few seconds. Until the time it gets over, I'll open the start menu. As I click on start menu, all apps, you can see that it has come IDELE Python 3.7 64-bit. This is basically the icon which need to be clicked for the programming purpose. This is having some module documents related to Python, and this is a kind of help manual. So I'll click on this icon which is responsible for programming, and you can see the successful message has also appeared, right? So I can close it, and this is the interface where I can type the program. So simply I'll write print, and in parenthesis here I'm writing hello everyone, and then I need to close the bracket, enter. So you can see that hello everyone is printed. In the same manner, if I want to do some calculation, so I can write 100 plus 20 and enter. So 120 is printed. So this way we can install the Python, and this is the basic way of doing the programming in Python in the interactive mode. In the next video, I'll tell you how we can do programming in Python in different ways. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to share the video with your friends so that they should also be able to install the Python in their systems. Thank you so much.